Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the amount of liquid used during cleaning on your Roomba Combo Essential 2. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the iRobot app and make sure that it's connected to the Roomba. And then we're going to scroll down to product settings, click on that, and then click on clean preferences. And here you have a liquid amount, so we can click on that again, and you have a few options. So for example, Eco is the one that uses the least amount of liquid, Standard uses like the medium amount, and Ultra uses the most of the out of the three options. So you can select whatever option that you want, and it's going to save automatically. And that's about it. It's now applied. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped, and make sure to like and subscribe.